Listen to this fantastic echo. Hello? River?
Tankwa Karoo is incomprehensible, arid, and desolate. The scorched earth, only dust under your feet. Life here slows down to where you feel every pulse of blood pump through your veins. It is said that the only thing you hear when you listen closely, is the passing of time. Although you will not find much here, one thing is for certain: you will find peace and stillness.
We are now looking at drawings made by Bushmen, apparently. They're quite in a good state, but some are washed off, like you can see here. You can't really see what they draw, but here you can make out the figurines, and then to the bottom in here is still one that's been preserved quite nicely. There's actually a child's hand imprint also above this elephant. So yeah, there's actually very nice ones. Another pair of hands put on the rocks here. And then apparently over the river to that side there's some more, but we want to skip that today. We just walked here, there's no boat here. Maybe if you bring your own canoe or something, you can look both sides. It's really a beautiful oasis here in the middle of the Karoo, yeah? Yes, it's a very arid landscape, but a very good flowing river, as you can see.
This is my echo.